We've all seen this literal phone hack all over, everywhere. TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, where they take a blue Sharpie and a purple Sharpie. And you can see it's raining outside. And these are brand new. Blue and yellow, purple. And what they do is they put a piece of tape. I'm gonna go. One side will be blue, and they let it dry, and they cover it with the purple one, and that's supposed to give you the UV lights. I have some test subjects here, and I will put it on my phone, and we'll record in my phone and show you the comparison differences of what these other people show when it's actually in true life. So, put the color in blue first. Make sure all the little water droplets are gone. Go in blue. Where are we at? There we go. Here's some blue. Okay. Are we happy with blue? Is not enough blue for you? I think so. We'll put that off to the side. And we'll get some purple. Alright. And we'll put the purple over the blue. Okay, you see that? Here's blue, here's purple. I'm going to put that right over each other. Just like that. And now on my phone, I'm going to put this right over the LED light bulb and record. And what you're seeing me doing now is I'm recording, and I'm putting the tape over the LED. And I'm not sure if it actually covers the camera. So in addition to testing the light with this, I'm also going to be testing something else. This guy is a stupid circuit board repair on LED light. This is something that I had made, circuit boards made, and I put together the components on here. Now I have 100 circuit boards, and I plan on making some lights. So if you want one of these, the link will be in the video description below. We're going to do a side-by-side comparison between the two of these, and I'm going to show you what a real UV LED looks like versus the tape. Now this is at 395 nanometers. This is the wavelength. This is how light works. Your white light is a frequency, basically. You can Google this information up. The colors and the wavelengths and what they represent and all that stuff. So, yes, this does produce a purple light similar to UV. It will make the yellow highlighter pop. But that's it. It doesn't work for anything else. It's a filter. That's all it is. This is an actual UV LED light. It's a real deal. So, you may wonder how this will be benefiting to you. It's a little overkill for the size. I will get it in half the size here. It's just magnetic. That's just what happens. It sits on your phone case, so you can have one hand recording your camera, and you can switch it on and off. It's battery operated. It's not going to slide off. It's magnetically mounted. So that's my product that I've made. And let's do the comparison videos now. Video to the left is the UV light. Video to the right is the tape with the markers. And this is what it looks like. This is how much difference in brightness and coloration. The left is UV light, the right is the tape. Next is Irish Spring soap. Really not much of comparison here. The dough on the right side with just the tape, and UV light on the left with illuminated quite brightly. Next we're going to do the money test. That's from the rubbing alcohol. Look how bright this is. Ooh, money test. See that little line? It means it's real. With the other tape, so it does not show that line up. Look how bright. Here it is. Here's the switch. And I can record everything and turn it off right there. And this is what it looks like from a person's view. I'm expecting things. Now in the future, I'm going to expand on this idea, as I know that you can get these LEDs in different wavelengths, and they actually kind of matter. Because if you wanted to do the Upper lights, Upper stones, or Upper stones, you can Google that. It's a rock that's in Michigan, and they will light up at 365 nanometers. So, different UV lights make different UV things, colors react differently. So what I plan on doing is actually making this board a little bit bigger. We're going to go with a rechargeable battery. I have the circuitry for the rechargeable battery. I will have a spot on here that I can solder. Probably, I'm guessing a 2-pin post on either side, and it'll be configured where it only will go on one way. And I'm going to have a module so the LEDs will plug straight onto there, so you can swap out the different LEDs that have the different nanometers for the wavelengths. So if you wanted a 365 on there, you could take this one off and put the next one on. That's my plan in the future. But for now, this is what I have. And if you want one of these, it's in the video description down below. Please share if you think it's a great idea. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.